Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to paint a intuitive art. For this art I'm using only 4 colors. The first one is burnt umber. This kind of artwork you can apply colors on the canvas wherever you wish. I wanted this art as a very contrast, so I selected dark colors as background. The second color I'm using is black. This is a kind of relaxing art therapy. I'm applying colors very gently. Now I'm applying burnt sienna to cover up the remaining areas. As you can see, I didn't wash my brush. Use a dry brush to get the texture look. Next color I'm using bright yellow. For this kind of art, always use bright colors over dark colors. The yellow and black color combination makes the art more attractive. For this kind of art, the most interesting thing is using bright colors over the dark colors. You should be very selective to choose the colors. So this painting, the background is almost ready. Now I'm going to apply the brighter shades using a palette knife with a gentle touch. I'm applying the bright colors on more darker areas. You can create some artistic look on the painting with palette knife like I did here. I cleaned the palette knife with a towel before applying the new color. To make this art more bright, I added bright yellow and orange. Try to give the impressions of palette knife to give abstract art more professional look. I'm adding more black to stand out the other colors. So my intuitive art is almost ready. Now I'm going to fill the white spaces with a dry brush. So this is a kind of abstract art you can try at your home with a professional way. My art is ready now. You can see the textures and the colors popping out and it gives you a vibrant art. So please do try this kind of easy intuitive art at your home and let me know your comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.